Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to get Pandas on your computer if you're running PyCharm. So if you don't have a particular module, in this case Pandas, when you go to run your program, it'll tell you that there's no module with that name. So in the case of Pandas, we can go to File on the top left, Settings, and then under Project Test, go to Python Interpreter. From here we just hit this plus button and we type in Pandas. Make sure it's highlighted and go to Install Package. It says Pandas is installed successfully, so from here we should now be able to run the program. Okay, if you have any other questions, please feel free to send me an email or come to my office hours. That's it for now. Take care.